So you are going to learn 5 letters ha, hi, fu, he, ho in this lesson. So the letters consonant is basically H, and you add the 5 vowels a, I, u, e, o after H. Just one thing I want to let you know is that ha, hi, fu sound, we write fu in Romaji, but doesn't mean f. We don't have a f sound, so we pronounce fu, q blow, like that. Fu, not the f, but fu. So the pronunciation is ha, hi, fu, he, ho. Okay, so let's practice. So the first letter is ha. 1, 2, then 3. Ha, ha. So the next one is hi. 1, like that. Hi, hi. The next one is fu. It's not a f, but it's fu. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Fu, fu. You might see fu like this all in one, but this is also fu, the same sound, fu. So the next one is a he. 1, that's it. He, he. The last one is ho. 1, 2, 3, then 4. Ho, ho. Sometimes people get confused with ha and ho. These are a bit similar, so now you see the difference. Ha on the left and ho on the right. So from now on, let's review together. What is this? Ho. What is this? Fu. What is this? He. What is this? Hi. What is this? Ha. You learned the 5 letters ha, hi, fu, he, ho in this lesson. So next will be ba, bi, bu, be, bo. See you in the next lesson.